What's up, what's up, what's up? This your boy Boogie Tyme Hood Reaction. Back with some food. I get hungry doing all these reactions. So I said, let me look at some food. See if I can course my Anyway, I see fried chicken. And that's what we got in the hood. Fried chicken. Make sure you watch this video to the end, though. Show your boy some love. Get your appetite. Sit back and enjoy. Make sure you smash that bell, though. Don't forget to smash that bell. Leave them comments and requests down in the box below. Boogie Tyme, let's go! I'm still alive.
ஆட்டுக்கறி குழம்போட நாட்டுக்கோழி பொரியல் செம்மையா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டு. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. ஆல்வேஸ் வெல்கம் யூ. மங்களகரமா
Was that a chicken feet? That's a. I remember we used to wear chicken feet.
ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்.
Damn chicken feet. Them knives must be super sharp. Yeah. What is that? That's one of them hood pops right there. Wash them up.
தண்ணி ஊத்தி
You boys handling them chickens. What the hell is that? That's nuts.
முழு நாட்டுக்கோழி, தயிர்.
Hold on, that's OG right there. Hold on, OG. Hold on, OG. That's the OG right there. Let me get you right, OG. Come on. Come on, Pops. They doing too much. What is that?
சோள மாவு,
Flour.
முட்டை.
One egg. How many eggs you need? That's a lot of eggs.
அரைச்ச இஞ்சி பூண்டு,
Hand ground ginger paste. See, I don't eat that. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't eat the ginger.
அரைச்ச மஞ்சள் சாந்து, அரைச்ச மிளகாய் சாந்து,
Hand ground chili paste. Y'all doing too much to the chicken, man.
முணுக்கின மிளகுத்தூள்,
Pepper. Oh, see, we getting it, though.
முணுக்கின கல்லுப்பு,
Salt.
எலுமிச்சம்பழம் சாறு,
The lemon juice, okay.
மசாலாவுக்கு கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி.
உப்புமா
மசாலாவில் இருக்கிற உப்பு தான்.
It makes sure they clean them up though. I'm sorry, y'all. There could be some chicken and flour. Yeah, he wiping him down. Wipe him down.
A few days ago, I opened my account with Lily.
Sorry, y'all. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. That's pretty, they get down that chicken, though. They put the works on that joint. Listen to that. Listen. Just listen.
அது ஊறட்டும்.
செக்கில் ஆட்டின சுத்தமான நல்லெண்ணெய். ஊற வச்ச நாட்டு கோழி.
Pops right there. Oh, they fry the whole thing. That grease got hot like that, too. That's a good idea. I'm going to try that with my fire pit. I'm going to try that. See if it do what they do. That thing got doing fast. Oh, y'all might will try it, 'cause he a Christian. Oh, he looking Christian. Okay. You good. They got that fire up high. They use all natural resources too. What the hell? Okay. They use everything natural. I see they eating off a leaf. Look at them. Back him up. Back him up. That chicken is good too. See playing, man. Hold on. Open it up. Look at that look. That looks delicious. Look at
வாயில் வச்சோன்னே எலும்பு தான் வெளியில். நாட்டு கோழியை நாட்டு சக்கு நல்லெண்ணெயில் பொரித்து எடுத்ததுக்கும் இந்த ஆட்டுக்கறியோட சேர்த்து சாப்பிடும்போது இன்னைக்கு அருமையான சாப்பாடு.
சூப்பராக இருக்கு. நல்லா
வேற லெவல் சாப்பாடு.
They're like, we eating. Man, move that
கட்டை காலி
crap.
ஆயிடுச்சு.
That grub, look at it. Oh, that's nice. That's straight. Oh, that boy's got chicken soup. Okay. Look at old school. They grubbing. Let me get out y'all way. Is it good? Oh. I might have to donate that. That's pretty. Make sure y'all. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna link this video in the bottom so y'all can, share it out, subscribe to the channel and all that. They pretty slick though. I like the way they use all natural resources, all the way down to the plates. Actually, they plates is made out of leaves. That's crazy. We don't need no money. Anyways, if you enjoyed that, request more food video, because I like to eat. I'm kind of gaining weight after that pandemic lockdown. I put on about 30 pounds. So I love me some food. Anyway, smash that bell. Leave them comments and requests down in the box below. This your boy, Boogie Tyme, Hood Reaction, down.